Ever wondered what are the essential hand tools for a car workshop? Well, today we're going to dive into that very topic. The world of automotive repair is a complex one, and whether you're tinkering on a classic or keeping a modern machine in top form, the right tools are crucial. We're talking about quality sets from top brands like Gearwrench, Sunex, and Matco, equipped with standard sockets, wrenches, and so much more. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY car enthusiast, having the right hand tools can make all the difference. When it comes to car workshop tools, quality matters. Brands like Gearwrench, Sunex, and Matco are renowned for their top-notch tool sets. A quality tool set is not just about having a comprehensive collection of wrenches, sockets, screwdrivers, pliers, hammers, and more. It's about the assurance that these tools will perform at their best when you need them to, without fail. The durability, precision, and reliability offered by brands like Gearwrench, Sunex, and Matco are unmatched. These brands have earned their reputation in the industry through years of consistent performance and customer satisfaction. Whether you're dealing with standard socket sizes like 1/4, 3/8, or 1/2 inch, these tool sets have got you covered. They're designed to withstand the rigors of a busy workshop and continue to deliver precise results time and again. Remember, quality tools are an investment. They might cost a little more upfront, but the longevity and dependability they offer make them worth every penny. Investing in quality tool sets is a smart move that pays off in the long run. Now let's talk about the essential tools that should grace your car workshop. First up, we have standard sockets. They come in a variety of sizes, from 1/4 to 1/2 inch. These are indispensable for unscrewing bolts and nuts found in various parts of your vehicle. Their different sizes ensure that you can tackle any bolt, no matter how big or small. Next, we have wrenches. These tools are perfect for turning nuts and bolts that are hard to reach or too tight for a socket. Wrenches also come in multiple sizes to cater to a wide array of bolts and nuts. Then, there are screwdrivers. Whether it's a flathead or a Phillips, screwdrivers are essential for unscrewing or tightening screws. From removing a car's interior panels to installing new parts, screwdrivers are your go-to tool. Moving on, we have pliers. They come in various types. Needle nose pliers for reaching into tight spaces, cutting pliers for cutting through wires, and slip joint pliers for gripping onto different sized objects. These are incredibly versatile tools that can help you in a multitude of tasks. And of course, we can't forget hammers. A good sturdy hammer can be used to knock things into place or even break things apart if needed. And a rubber mallet, a softer type of hammer, is perfect for when you need to hit something without damaging it. Lastly, we have brands like Gearwrench, Sunex, and Matco that offer high-quality tool sets. These brands are well known for their durability and precision, ensuring that your tools will stand the test of time and help you accomplish your tasks efficiently. Remember, the key to a successful car workshop lies in having the right tools at your disposal. The tools we've just discussed aren't just pieces of metal, they're your partners in every repair and maintenance task you'll undertake. From simple tune-ups to more complex repairs, these tools will be by your side, helping you get the job done right. These tools are the backbone of any car workshop, enabling you to handle a wide range of repair and maintenance tasks with ease. So, to sum it all up, quality truly reigns supreme when it comes to essential hand tools for car workshops. Brands like Gearwrench, Sunex, and Matco offer robust tool sets, complete with standard sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, hammers, and more, all in various drive sizes. These tools play a pivotal role in ensuring work in the workshop is efficient and enjoyable. Remember, the right tools in your workshop can make your work easier, more efficient, and even enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos.